stuck. Well, depends.
I think it's stuck open and it's.
What's the thermostat code exactly? Is it for like coolant improper flow, control valve?
Thermostat.
The thermostat. It's probably stuck open.
Alright.
I mean, there's a lot of stuff blocking the radiator in general.
Well, and then you gotta do an ohm test on it and make sure it's bad. It's got a sensor on it.
There's a sensor in the housing?
Yeah.
Should be that sensor.
Right, so you can't just pull a thermostat out like you do on a Chevy.
Hey, you can. It's easy. It's actually in this. Let me show you exactly what it's sitting inside of. This is what your thermostat is. Very similar. Very similar. Yeah. Just what it's They come out.
So I don't have to buy an own housing and everything?
You can buy a little
They
bit.
say because the sensor bad. Look.
Yeah. This is for an old. This is for an old. The little tin on the top of the sensor.
Right, and there's the
I deal with it all the time.
good type.
Yep. I crack jokes on the internet about German engineers and their bullshit all the fucking time.
Oh, man.
Meanwhile, this is all I work on, and then the world knows this is all I work on. But I will sit back and make a joke about these pieces of shit all day without a question in my mind. But I know the exact type of levels of shit I'm getting into.
This is Beamer. No, that's
This Audi.
Audi.
I don't work on Beamer.
Oh no, you don't touch it. No.
It ain't a Volkswagen, it ain't an Audi, a Porsche. Yep. Or an LS.
Or a Chevy.
You get it.
Chevy shot.
I like my LS.
Where's your rider?
There's one over there. Third or fourth drawer down. Try one more down. Go lighter in there. Hey, up to my back pocket.
Alright, but I'm getting the trifecta of lights too.
Oh.
The ABS, check engine light, and what's the other third one I forget.